Hello everyone. Today's topic for the teaching learning is the magnetic properties of material. If we see the diagram, consider a rectangular or cylindrical ferromagnetic bar of length L and cross section area A. Suppose that it is uniformly magnetized in a direction perpendicular to its cross sectional area. Suppose that the magnetic moment, the magnetic induction B, the definition is the magnetic flux passing per unit area of the material is called as magnetic induction. It is represented by capital B and its SI unit is Weber per meter square. Now the magnetostatics developed is P. Let in this magnetic substance M be the pole strength developed, capital L be the length of substance, and P is magnetostatics developed. So the magnetostatics P is equal to M into L. Its SI unit is ampere meter square. It is an vector quantity directed from the S pole to the N pole. Now the second property is magnetic intensity. The magnetic intensity is the magnetic moment developed per unit volume is defined as the magnetic intensity for the magnetic substance. Again refer the same figure. A block of ferromagnetic substance placed in uniform magnetic field produced magnetic moment, resultant magnetic moment P. Therefore the magnetic intensity and magnetization is denoted by capital M. Therefore we can write capital M is equal to P divided by V, where V is the volume of substance, and therefore volume is equal to area multiplied by length, where capital A is the area and capital L is the length. Therefore we can write capital M equal to P divided by V, that is equal to small m into L divided by capital A into L. Therefore L gets cancelled and we get M is equal to, that means magnetic intensity is equal to small m, that is nothing but the magnetic moment divided by area of the substance. Therefore the intensity of magnetization is also the pole strength developed per unit area of cross section of the substance, the magnetization being perpendicular to the area of cross section. Therefore we got two definitions of magnetic intensity and magnetization. Magnetic intensity is nothing but the magnetic moment developed per unit volume and therefore we can say that magnetic intensity m is equal to p divided by v. On simplifying we get m is equal to small m divided by a. Therefore we can also define the magnetic intensity or intensity of magnetization is also the pole strength developed per unit area of cross section of the substance. That means the magnetic intensity is not depending upon volume, but it is depending upon cross sectional area and pole strength, that means small m. And this magnetization is being perpendicular to the area of cross section. Hence the SI unit of intensity of magnetization is ampere per meter. So this is the two magnetic properties, that is the magnetic induction represented by B, its unit Weber per meter, and another is the magnetic intensity represented by M, and its SI unit is ampere per meter. So these are the two magnetic properties. Thank you.